Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a customer persona with HubSpot step by step clearly. Open HubSpot and log into your account. On the main dashboard, navigate to the marketing menu. From the drop-down, select audience. Click on persona in the submenu. You will see an option to create persona. Click on it. Start by entering a name for your persona in the provided field. Next, select the type of persona you want to create. Fill in demographic details such as age, gender, and location. Add job title and industry information in the designated sections. Include background information, such as education and work experience. Identify their pain points and challenges that your business can address. Next, describe their goals and what success looks like for them. Move on to discussing their interests and hobbies. Input additional insights, like preferred social media platforms. You can also include quotes or testimonials that reflect their attitudes. Once all information is entered, review the persona details for accuracy. Click on Save to finalize your persona. To review your personas later, return to the Audience section. Your persona will be saved and accessible for future marketing strategies. Utilize this persona when targeting your marketing campaigns for better alignment with customer needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.